Mousetrap family, what's good? We back with another video. Today is Wednesday. Man, the clouds are coming back out. Man, this is Florida. You could already tell it's almost summertime, man, because during the summer here in Florida, if you guys live in Florida, you already know that, man, rain comes and goes at any time. 1 second it's cold, next second it is hot as hell, next second, hey, man, there's a tornado coming, man. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? And like, I like the rain, you feel me? And you know, I'm from Florida, I love the rain. And man, this hurricane season almost coming upon us, probably like in the next 2 or 3 months, man. But that's for another story, man. But for today, guys, man, I've been grinding so hard getting these door panels done for my boy, man, and it's getting real close. If you guys yet to even watch any of the other videos, man, and this is your first time tuning into my YouTube videos, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Check the previous 3 videos out, I think, man, on building these door panels. If you guys want to ever learn how to build door panels, man, these are the videos to watch. I try to explain as much as possible, and each video shows you the different steps and phases that we went through doing these door panels, man. You know, from the beginning to where we just get the door panel itself, to molding, rings, routering, putting the rings, fleecing, and fiberglassing. You know what I'm saying? Sadly, like I've been saying on my other videos, I can't really do much explaining and recording when I'm actually, you know, laying the fiberglass down, resin and stuff like that, and as well with the sanding part, man, because last time when I did the other ones, I had an iPhone that I didn't even care about if it got messed up or anything, man, and I recorded videos off of that one, but that iPhone, you know, took a shit. But now this one, you know, we got a somewhat a little nice camera. We got the Sony ZV-1 vlogger cam, and it's a rather nicer cam, and I really don't want to get it dirty, but still on the grind trying to find a cameraman. So hopefully here soon we can get one, man. We're just trying to pump up the channel a little bit more, get a little bit more algorithm, and, you know, be able to hire a cameraman and pay him some pretty decent money just to stick around and record some videos. But, you know, we got a lot of footage, man. Look, this is the shirt that gets you 5 entries in the giveaway. 25 bucks, man. You know, it's pretty cool. Never loud enough with the speaker on it, man. You know, I love the way how it fits me. I got a little bit of cat hair on it because, you know, I'd be hugging my cat. But, man, you know, the shirt, copy shirt, 25 bucks gets you 5 entries to try to win the 2 Sundowns and the Taramps. You know, for 25 bucks, man, you can win that setup and be jamming for the summer, man. But let's get back to the topic, the door panels. So yesterday, I just wanted to hurry up and, you know, grind a little bit and get the door panels somewhat already finished. And the door panels itself, they're 100% done. Now I just got to do the minor little things to it, like put the plexiglass on it and mount them physically to the door. But the sanding's done, the wrapping's done. And, man, they came out really good, man. I'm really happy with them. And I've already shown the guy on Instagram, you know, the door panels, and he loves them. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it's all about, making sure, you know, the customer is happy 100,000%. I keep them informed, anything that goes on and everything, man, you know, because I gotta, you know, have a good communication with the customer at the same time. But, you know, the door panels have been on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, man, follow me on it, MouseXTrap. You know, and then I got the other Instagram for the YouTube, which is Mousetrap_gang. You know what I'm saying? So follow me on those Instagrams, man. Stay updated, and you see all the previews of everything. Drop that hashtag MTG, man. If you guys are ready to see these door panels, let me know what you guys think, man. These things are really awesome. I really like them. The vinyl matched good with the door panel, the texture of the vinyl that's already on the door panel from factory, man. So, man, let's get on it, man. Let me show you what I got. YouTube, it's your boy Mousetrap, and we back in the building, and I'm just here to let you guys know that the giveaway for the 2 Sundown subs, Taramps, is active and is ready to be won by one of you guys. You can simply be purchasing this decal. There's a shirt with this same exact logo on the decal that can get you entries to go ahead and win these subs. You can purchase these items and get details on the giveaway by simply going onto my Instagram, which is MouseXTrap, or the official YouTube Instagram, which is Mousetrap_gang. Go on those Instagrams and shoot us a DM, and we'll give you all the details. And if you want to get your entries in, we'll go ahead and process all your orders. Get your purchases that you've got to enter sent out to you guys immediately. So get your entries in. The giveaway ends May 2nd, and I will be announcing the winner on Cinco de Mayo. All the information for the giveaway you can find in the description of each video from here till the giveaway ends. The information to purchase, where to send money to, who to contact, everything is in the description of each video. That's going to be uploaded from here till the giveaway ends. Man, get those entries in. When are you guys going to be riding around with these speakers inside your vehicles? And it could be you by just simply purchasing a sticker or a t-shirt, man. Now let's get back to the video and, you know, get your entries in, man. Alright, so there you have it, man. You know, hit that like, man, that thumbs up, and let me, and so I know that you guys like these door panels, man. You know, these things came out really awesome. Like I said, the texture of the black is really nice. The vinyl came out really good. This video right here does no justice exactly what they look like. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of the doors, man. You know, I really like them. The black looks really good on it. It matches really nice, and you know, man, I'm speechless sometimes, you know, the work that I can do, because, you know, I try to push myself to, you know, step it up and make it a lot easier on myself whenever I do builds. So the last time, if I remember correctly, the last time you seen them, I had just got done throwing the resin on it. And I think I may have grinded it a little bit. I don't know. I forgot. But so basically, it was rather rough because it had the fiberglass on top of it, and it was really, you know, bad. But so then I grinded it down with a 40 grit disc on my grinder to knock off all the rough stuff off of it, and then I lightly sanded it with 36 grit on my DA sander, and then after that we skimmed it really light with the Bondo, because the thing is, you don't want to, it's only getting wrapped in vinyl. So you do have to get it somewhat smooth and sand it down, but not as perfect as if we would be doing paint. You see what I'm saying? The main thing is not to see rather harsh dips in it, because the thickness of the vinyl covers a lot of it up. And you just want to make sure that, you know, your curves are somewhat nice. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, the vinyl covers a lot of it up, but you just don't want any harsh dips or like pinholes in it, you know. And if there's like curves, you at least want to, you know, make them nice so the curves look good, versus it going up and then, you know, shooting up. You want it to have like a nice flow. Same thing with like right here, you know, the flow is very nice, versus when we got it done, it was like that, but we smoothed it out, put the body filler, and you know, it went in there. Same thing with like right here, it has a very nice curve, and like right here we blended it in good. So I actually use it's a mixture of a filler mixture with a Duraglass that's, you know, real top of the line and easy to work with. You know, a lot of Bondos you get from like, say, Walmart and stuff like that, they're like rather thick. So man, it's complete, you know, disastrous when you sand, because it's just so thick, and that's where people like make it so hard and give up when they're sanding, because the Bondo is so thick. And if you like skim it and lightly apply it and make it easier for you to sand, it's not as bad. And then when you use a compressor and a DA, you know, and sand with it, it's not that bad either. You know what I'm saying? Luckily, you know, I came up with a strategy on sanding to make it a lot easier on myself, and know exactly how it's, you know, supposed to be for vinyl. You know, it always works for me. I tried to only go up to 80 grit. If I can even stay at 40 grit, sanding it down, you know, I stay in that area. Doing 80 grit, that's just me trying to be a little bit fancy with it, and you know, it's still good. But I like to use the 40, go the highest as 40 grit, so it's still a rougher surface, so the glue can bond really good, and with the vinyl as well, and that stuff will never fall out. You know, honestly, you know, let me show you the glue that I use. This is the glue that I use right here. This gallon alone is like 120 bucks, but it is really good glue, you know. Luckily I have the plug with it, and you know, it's the real upholstery glue that they use whenever you go to real deal upholstery shops. And same thing with this vinyl. Look, it's right here. You know, nice little thick backing on it, and the texture on it's really good, and it's stretchy. You know what I'm saying? Real stretchy. So I doubt that vinyl will ever fade or fall off or anything, because it is on there. You know what I'm saying? And we used our Via stapler to staple the back of it to keep it good. So basically, next what I have to do is cut out these circles right here so the speakers can go in line, like you see my markings right there. Same thing as well, right here. And add the plexiglass that's going to have his truck logo, truck club logo right here, and it's going to glow up. I already have LEDs mounted inside there, but that'll be it for the next video. And the truck name is going to glow right here, and with the black, I think he'll do red. Man, that thing's going to glow like fantastic. Like, that thing is going to be A1. So there you have it right there. You know, for the door panels, man, I really like them a lot. They fit real awesome in it. You know, the texture is pretty nice. And once you shine them up with a little bit of armor on, man, them things are like, man, they're A1. So, man, hit that like button if you like the door panels. Man, drop some comments on it. Let me know if you guys got any questions or anything. I'm here for you guys. Look at that thing, man. That thing is no joke. That thing is no joke. Alright, so today is Wednesday. Let me scoot this camera back. Alright, so today is Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. And the dude's going to come tomorrow so we can put him on and put his amp in there. We have his PRV speakers. And we have a 1800.1 pair amp that we're going to be putting on it. And then we have the Slim Pro PRV speakers that we're going to be putting on it. So that thing's going to be pretty loud. But we'll pick up on those products on tomorrow's video so you guys can really see exactly what we got going on with the installation and everything on that Dodge Ram, because they're going on a Dodge Ram. And you know, you guys stay tuned for that next video. We're going to be installing it. He is going to be here with me, so I'm actually going to see if he can be my cameraman that day. So hopefully we'll cross our fingers, and hopefully he does, man. But I think he will, because you know, he's a cool dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really like, you know, meeting him, conversating with him, and you know, getting to know him. You know, because it's a part of the Florida truck movement that we're trying to do around here. So you know, I'm all for it. He's all for it. So I mean, we can grind together, man. So thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button, drop some comments, subscribe to the channel, enter the giveaway, man. Purchase a shirt, support your boy, man, and we'll catch you guys on the flip side, man. We're gonna go back inside the trap, get some stuff done, and you know, we're gonna get ready for the next video. So I'll catch you guys, man. Peace.